Here's a little bit better picture of the damage I had up here. There's supposed to be a metal flashing that gets tucked into that corner, and up there where that ice and rain barrier is, that should come down a lot more. But code says, at least where I am, you don't have to have ice and rain barrier here in the valleys, but it is suggested. So tearing off a roof really isn't that hard aside from all the physical labor. So what you want to do is first start with ripping the shingles off. I know it's like easier said than done, but you rip the shingles off, and then under the shingles is this felt. You got to get the felt off, and then after that you want to pull all the nails out. I mean, not the nails that are going to nail the decking to the trusses, because when they go to nailing the new shingles, their nails might end up hitting the other ones. So, and then after that you sweep it off. There is no getting this ice and rain barrier off unless it is just so disastrous and at the end of its life that you can just peel it off. And I was able to just peel it off like that. It basically just came off in a roll and just rolled right off the roof. Alright, here's the damage. Looks a lot better than I thought it was going to look. Some discoloration, but not too bad. Just got through fixing that little spot there. Same thing, took the chunk out, put another some more OSB in the bad spot.